We came out here to try to fish 4 Mile and then potentially badger, but we weren't sure if badger was gonna be like a snowshoe out type deal or what, but there's no snow up here. Woodpecker, I think it has less ice than it had like a week or two ago when we last came out. This has been a strange winter so far. Yeah, good portion of the lake is open water. Okay, we just got out the badger. Let me just peek through right here to see what it looks like. Okay, there's definitely ice, but it looks like there's open water over on that side again, so it should work just fine. These are probably about the same conditions that we had last time that we were out here, which is crazy because, I mean, that was like, I don't know, 10 to 14 days ago. I don't remember exactly what day it was, but over a week ago. And I thought this would have been frozen over by now, but we're having a warm winter. Dude, I just got taken.
Really?
I don't know if it's still in its mouth. Is it keeping it? Oh, I'm on.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
Nice.
Oh, that's a good size. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can show you this fish without dropping it like the other week.
Don't lift it above the net.
Oh, yes. Oh my god, the biggest one in the group just took it.
It's gonna spit it out.
Nope, dude, it kept it. It's on.
Look.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet, fish number 2. Oh man.
Good one too.
Yeah. Sweet. All right, fish number 2. Oh, I just got taken. Oh no, did he drop it? Nope, he's eating it. He's chewing it. Do it. Do it. Yeah.
Nice. Got 3 or 4?
This is my 3rd. Oh, come on. Dude. Oh my gosh. Okay. Fish number 3. Oh, I'm getting taken. Come on. Yep, there we go. Number 4.
That might be a female.
Oh, chill. Oh my god. Okay.
Should let more line out than that next time.
Yeah, probably. Fish number 4.
Nothing to write home about.
You gonna fall in the water?
I was just fell in twice.
Nice.
I think it's another female.
Oh, here we go. What?
No way!
What?
We just hooked into the same fish.
Did it eat mine and then go after
Mine's
yours?
in the corner of its mouth.
I'm gonna let my line out. Go ahead and net it. Wow, dude, I've never seen that happen. And there's so many right here. That was a very interesting catch. This is number 5 for both Steen and I. I guess it gut hooked mine and then immediately went for Steen's jig. We went to hook set and it was the same fish. So I've never seen that happen before. Steen is desperately trying to get his 5th. So I built a fire. How's it going?
I didn't mean to throw it that far, honestly.
Nearly threw his bobber in the fire.
We're both still at 4.5.
I feel like we're both basically at 5
Yeah,
with that last one.
that is true.
If we get 2 fillets off of it, we each get 1. All right, we're putting out the fire. Got all the fish cleaned up and in the coolers. Heading out pretty late, so we're gonna be hiking in the dark, but it's okay.
Stars are already out.
Yeah, we're seeing stars now.